What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. My name is Nour Trades, and today we're bringing you another special video, the Sunday stock watch list, where I give you guys all the stocks that I like, all the stocks that I dislike, what's going on the economic calendar, are there any earnings. We're coming towards the end here before it starts getting crazy in July, but let's just get started here. But before we get started, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe, comment down below what other videos you'd like to see on this channel. I told you guys, if you guys got 300 likes on the previous video before that vlog, I would upload a vlog, and I kept my promise. So make sure you hit that like button. Make sure you're commenting, and keep supporting. I appreciate everybody. So just letting you guys know. So here's the economic calendar here for this week. If you want a clearer picture, just go to Trade Like Nour on Instagram. I only have 3 Instagram accounts: Nour Trades, Trade Like Nour, and StockHours. Please don't get scammed. Plus, down below in the comments, there's always those fake Nour Trades accounts. Please don't get scammed. I'm verified on YouTube, so make sure they're verified on YouTube. So anyways, Monday, we don't really have much. Tuesday, we have durable goods orders, case, Schiller Home Price Index, FHFA House Price Index, consumer confidence, new home sales, Richmond Fed Manufacturing Index, not really important. Wednesday, you have Jerome Powell speaking again. Well, there goes the watch list for this week, guys. But yeah, so you have international trading goods, that's before market opens, and retail inventories, wholesale inventories. Thursday, you have GDP. Week keeps getting great. Jobless claims, corporate profits, pending home sales index, EIA natural gas report, that's normal. Friday, you have personal income and outlays, Chicago PMI, consumer sentiment. Amazing. This economic calendar couldn't have got worse. As far as earnings, there's not much going on. Jeffries is important on Tuesday. Micron Technology on Wednesday. It's kind of blurry. I know all you have to do is go to Trade Like Nour. I have clearer pictures there. And then Nike on Thursday, not really important, but cool to keep up on. But Micron Technology is definitely important. That's the chips. So first thing I'm going to go over is NVIDIA. So you guys haven't got one of these watch lists in a minute. I've been uploading cool videos for you guys. But look at NVIDIA here. One of my favorite stocks to play. I actually ended up playing it Friday, made 13%. Was it? Did I play NVIDIA on Friday? I did. Yeah, I did. 421 break. So is this. Yeah, 421 here. Down to 420.15 before it bounced. So, nice. Anyways, on the 1 hour chart here, guys, I'm going to show you what I'm looking at. You guys can see there's this trend, almost like a flat bottom. I can actually make this on the 1 year here, or actually, let me do the 4 hour. So I can put it on the 4 hour. I look like a flat bottom. I'm looking at this 420 level. It's really like 419, but under 419, this should get going here. And then obviously we have that gap, but it's pretty far away. We have the first gap here at 397 down to like $3.95, $2 gap. Not really interested in that, and that's really far. But the big gap is obviously at that 366. Long ways before we get there. But really what I'm looking at is this going to get too weak this week versus the market here? And I'm looking at this downside because this trend's been holding up. Plus, it's a flat bottom. So I'm looking at this 419 to the downside. It's really 420. But for, extra confirmation, I'm probably going to use 419. I'll update you guys throughout the week. Also, if you're not going to pay attention to my Instagram, tomorrow at 9 a.m. Eastern time, I will be on Instagram Live, pre-market review on my Instagram, just reviewing before I obviously have to hop in my Discord, giving the trade ideas and the live signals throughout the day. So I'll do a quick one, 5 to 10 minutes in the morning at 9 a.m. Eastern time on my Instagram Live. So NVIDIA to the downside, I have 420, the 419 down to 417. That's how much room I got, and then 415. So the next thing I'm watching here is Tesla. So Tesla, I really do love this stock with a passion, if you guys didn't know. But I'm watching Tesla here to the downside. You guys can see kind of almost the same kind of trend. You have a double bottom here at this like 248 level. Now I would use 250, but the fact that we broke it for a quick one the other day, I think it was Thursday. Yeah, I don't like that. So I'm going to use 248. And I'm going to use it to the downside. After 248, I have room down to 245. There's also a gap right there, kind of. But I don't really watch those. I like the bigger time frame gaps. But yeah, 248 down to 245, then 240. It was down 3% on Friday. So that's what I'm looking at. As far as am I bearish or bullish on any stocks? Nope. These are just the plays that I have on these individual stocks. So for example, I just don't have any kind of close plays here to the upside until we get to that like 270 level. Obviously, you have this gap here from 263 to 266. Not really interested. But yeah, to the downside, I'm interested in 248 to 245, then 240 if we get it. If we don't get it, doesn't matter with me. Now, Meta. This thing is zooming right here, so it's just not stopping. If you could put it on the 4-hour, you guys can see we have this channel here from the top side. How many retests? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're coming up here. We have a little bit of room before we hit that 6 rejection, or even obviously get through, but I don't want to take that chance. So I'm going to respect it if we come near there until I see we can get above and obviously see 295. But right now, I'm looking at this 290 level on Meta. 290, this has room up to, I believe, hold up. Obviously that 292 level. I gotta show you something real quick. What was I trying to do? Oh. I almost forgot what I was trying to do, dude. Alright, so it's the continuation of this gap on Meta. It's finally breaking out, so definitely want to watch this. This gap ends at like 316, so pretty far away. So we'll just stick to what I just told you guys for now. Obviously this thing is roaring here while everything's down. Like for example, Meta was up 1.3% on Friday. SPY was down almost 1%. So you guys can see what I mean about strength versus weakness in the market here. So watching the 290 level, room up to 292.92. Obviously, as the week progresses, it'll be higher because the trend is moving higher. And then you have the trend on the bottom. Not too solid here at the beginning, but it's bounced a few times here. So what I'm worried about more is the upside if we get it. If not, cool with me. Now, Amazon might be a little far here. No, it's not that bad. So I'm looking at this 131 level on Amazon. Also something that was strong, but Friday lost a little bit of steam, which is fine. You know, giving a little break. But I'm looking at this 131 level on Amazon. It's a 9-month high actually on Friday. I don't actually have any resistance here, but there is a gap from 131, if I'm not mistaken, right? Yeah. So 131 and change all the way up here to 134. That's a lot for Amazon. Plus, can I break it down real quick? We have this trend here to 133.48. We'll see how that goes, if that's going to be respected. And did we get the 4-hour? Yeah, we already did. Cool. My actual resistance lies at 133.49. So the gap's at like 134, I believe. We just looked at it. Yeah, 134. So it's only like a 50-cent difference, which is great because that's my actual resistance right here. We're just right under the gap fill, 133.50. So that's what I'm watching on Amazon, which is dope because this stock, if we get the right move on it, will pay. Apple. My interns were telling me about this. You know, it's cool. I'm looking at this 187.50 level. If we can get that breakout here, obviously we got rejected here. We kind of got rejected right before that 187.50. Then we definitely got rejected here on Apple Friday at 187.50. So if we can get the breakout, I'm looking at that, then 188. And then this thing is at all-time highs. So there's no telling what exact number is it going to stop at. But I do have room up to 190. You know, and you could see this on a 3-year right here. Weekly chart. This thing is absolutely killing it. So that's my watch list for this week. Obviously, I update my watches throughout my week on Instagram. And obviously, I have the Discord where I get my live entries. And every day when I wake up, I see something maybe a little bit different that I may want to try. That's why you might see my watch list. And then I might have another stock that I actually end up playing. But for the most part, my watch list is super accurate. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. If we get 300 likes next Sunday, I'll upload a video. Whatever I make in one day trading, I'll spend that same day for you guys. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.